When styling a topper, there are a few things you must do before getting started. First, pin the topper of your choice to your styling head. If your topper is primarily made up of monofilament or lace material, do not pin straight through it. Doing this will tear your monofilament, causing loss of fiber. Here's how to safely pin your piece to a wig head. Open all the clips lining your topper. Align your piece on top of the head in a location similar to where you'll place it on your own. Slip the pin through the clip at a 90-degree angle from the head and press it into the wig head material. Don't overstretch your top piece when securing it. Repeat this step on each clip. Close them and you're ready to style. Next, wet the piece all over with water and place the part in your desired location. Blow dry the fibers on low heat with an air concentrator attachment from front to back. This will smooth any cowlicks or uneven areas. If you're looking for that straight and sleek look, simply run a flat iron over the piece in sections. Do this until it's as straight as the hair on your head that you'll be matching it to. If you're looking for something more voluminous, use a curling iron or a wand to curl the hair in the direction of the style on your head. Use the same size wand on both your bio hair and your top piece. Remember, if you have a synthetic top piece that is not heat friendly, we do not recommend applying any heat other than a blow dryer on low to it in any way. If you have a heat-friendly synthetic, human hair synthetic blend, or human hair piece, style with heat no higher than 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, apply your topper with open clips while avoiding placement up against the scalp. It should be able to move with your bio hair. Finally, fix any pieces that look out of place, and you're ready to go. If you're experiencing hair loss and concerned about topper clips worsening it, you're not wrong to worry. But toppers are extremely safe to wear as long as you're clipping it into sturdy, healthy hair, located about 1 inch to 1.5 inches out from the area of hair loss. You can also move where you place your piece every few months to reduce stress the clips may cause on fibers bordering your hair loss. Remeasure your area of hair loss every 4 to 6 months and keep a record to ensure you're buying the right size topper.